Hello, today I'm going to show you how to clean the wheel hub of our rims using the Hazard wheel hub grinder set 4960F 162F. It's easy. You will need a standard electronic screwdriver for this, and you can attach the wheel hub grinder into the tool of us. Then we get the grinding additional part on top, let it rotate and glide into the wheel hub and rotate it and rotate it and rotate it. And if you push it onto this wheel hub inside your rim, it will be automatically clean the entire surface. After this performance is done, we can blow it out and job's done. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Dun dun!